This is my buddy Kevin's RWB. And I always call Kevin and just randomly ask him to shoot his car. So the other day, I was like, hey, can I shoot your car? And his immediate response was, absolutely. And I figured out in photography, you could text someone and say, will you meet me under this bridge? And they more than likely will, because the photos will be sick. And we were there for around 3 hours and we got amazing photos. Like this one, and this one, and this one. After we got done shooting, I went home and I needed to use my GoPro immediately, and I accidentally deleted some of the footage from the shoot. So what you're about to see is the footage that survived from my mass deleting of footage. I hope you enjoy this video, and I'll see you in the next one. All right, it's really windy today. Oh, whoa. How are you?
Good, how are you doing?
Doing good. I wish this weather would get a little bit nicer.
Fuck, it got cold too. It rained on the way over here. I was like, God damn it.
Yeah, I'm sorry. I was like, this morning was really nice. I'm like, it would be a good day. And then I went to work and I left work and I'm like, are you fucking kidding me? It's freezing cold.
That's how it works, man.
Yeah.
It's never easy.
It's never easy. And it's every time I'm like, I want to plan something out and do something, it always just turns to crap that evening.
There's a chance to fucking, there's blue right
There's
there.
blue. There's a little purple, but.
It may split, okay?
Yeah.
Once the sun drops down below this shit.
That's my hopes, is I hope when it drops down, the sun will start like sunsetting by the time we're like finishing up and doing everything. And this road leads out to the main road. I'll just have you pull down this road and do photos in the middle of this road as well. And then you turn right and you go back on this main road right here. But that's my thought process for the day. And
We need this moved around anywhere?
all right. My plan is back it up and put it right here. Right there. You want to sit in it? Oh, you got all the snacks.
Like, I'm gonna get out there and not have anything to fucking eat.
That is true. Hey, I don't blame you. I'm glad you know that I take a little while for photos.
You take good photos and you actually produce photos, so it's nice.
Yeah. So how's the new car coming along?
That new car, it's gonna get me in trouble.
Really?
That's bad. It is. I'm gonna break it. I think I already broke it. I hit a sheave on 37. They shaved the road.
Oh, really?
Smacked it in. Hey, it knocked some things loose, but you know, hey, sooner than later.
It happens.
It was bound to happen. I did work on it. Sooner or later, but maybe in position.
Oh yeah. I'm hoping sooner than later, but you never know. Yeah, I was born in '02, so don't feel bad about yourself.
Going to high school. One of my first photo shoots I went to was in a quarry at 96th Street.
Really?
Yeah, the IMI quarry.
Yeah, yeah. So your photo, this car photo shoot?
Nah, just some kids I was friends with.
Okay. I was about to say, pulling this car over there would be a little sketchy.
Yeah, it was all gravel.
Yeah.
Literally gravel pile.
See, I feel really bad like pulling you even down here. I scoped this like 3 or 4 times. Like I drove through.
You don't feel that bad.
Well, I'm telling you, I felt bad. I scoped it out like 3 or 4 times, and I was like,
This thing doesn't have TPMS sensor, man. I'm gonna be halfway home, be like, what's that noise? Keep going.
just keep going, make it home. You just gotta make it home. Hopefully it's not too bad on the way back.
No, it's just my shifter. I think it's out of alignment a little bit.
always forget it's a manual. It's got to be fun. There's a lot of power in it.
It's a lot different driving experience between that and this car.
Yeah, I bet.
Yeah, it's super nice coils. Well, I mean, this has nice coils on it, but it's got a little lift on that. Yeah, this car's been getting very well lately.
As in, like, you're not treating it well?
I just have been not driving it. I've been running that pink car. It's been fun.
Hey, I mean, it still looks good.
Yeah, well,
Still looks
I'm
good.
trying to keep it clean. It needs a good detail though. It needs, and he does phenomenal work. Because when you're doing custom like this, you don't know how it's going to react when you're laying down such a wide.
Yeah.
But he took all the bolts out, I think.
So
to do it.
you had it built, and then he destroyed it and rebuilt it himself.
Take the fingers off. They all stuck on the car still with that Sikaflex. But, yeah, he started taking it apart a little bit. So the only other handiwork on it is my finger fucking work on the other side skirt that I took off.
Yeah.
Look at it every time. I'm like, man, you should have just left it the first time. You start touching it, and you're like, no, I can make it better. And then you're like, fuck, I just made that worse.
Yeah. It's typically how it goes with photos too. I'm like, I think I just tweak it a little bit. I fucking made it worse.
You can do it all on your iPhone.
Yes,
I'm kidding.
I agree with you. Yes. Yes and no. I can do photos and some videos on my iPhone. They won't look as good both ways. But the editing softwares, those files, I can barely edit on my computer. And I'm like, fuck, I don't know where to edit them now because they're fucking huge. I think I got more views than he has on one video.
I stopped paying attention to how much those views got.
A lot.
I'm sure.
A lot.
Because it still gets likes every once in a while. It still gets likes, every time you're like, oh, new like. You're like, God damn it, it's that video again.
Exactly what it is. I was like, my like Instagram kind of like fell off the face of the earth. Oh my God, I hate these doors. I hate slamming them. So, all right, what I think I'm gonna do is I'm gonna have you turn it around and we're gonna do like a 3/4 from the wall this way.
3/4, what do you mean?
Yeah, like
Back facing that
back
way.
facing that way, front facing this way. You look like you were gonna hit me. Good right there. Could you turn your wheel that way? Sorry, I forgot to get you before you took the key out. A little bit more right there. Yep, good, good. Oh, these photos are gonna be sick.
This may be your first photo shoot with my fixed grill.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it is. Because the last photo shoot was in the snow, and you can see right
Yep,
through it. I'm
yep.
like, motherfucker.
You should have. I could have photoshopped. Do a little Photoshop magic
You'll
up
see
there.
right through because like it's got no fender liners.
Mm-hmm.
One day I'll make some fender liners so I feel a little less.
Oh, turn. Oh, my knee. Man.
Do some same shit with suspenders on, not worry about it. Did you ever see any of the videos on Instagram? There was a takeover one where the Charger was swinging.
In Indiana?
No.
Or maybe.
Backed into, like he swung it, backed in, and the guy got pinned. Started revving the car, and he shot flames on dude's ass and burnt his pants. I mean, it just fucking fired on this dude. I'm like, that's great. I got a different angle and then another angle. I was like, I appreciate all the angles. I don't feel bad for anybody who had to take it. Like,
No.
You were there. There's a guy that ran across the camera right before he came by, and I was like, that's the victim. I wasn't, no. He was the last one waddling by. I'm sure I fixed a few other things because I started throwing parts at this when the build started. I spent a lot on this in 1 year.
All right, now time for the dirty part. I think we go like under the bridge. My thought is if either we use up here or we take it down and park it right in front over here where you can back up out of the thing. All right.
Okay.
All right, let's do it. Yeah. This photo is gonna be right here. This is gonna be fucking sick. This is sick. These photos are gonna turn out amazing.
Now that I talk about it, you're gonna see that video before the end of the day.
Yeah, especially since I've had my phone in my pocket this whole time and the government's listening through my phone. They're gonna be like, oh, he wants to see this video soon. And if I see it, I'm sending it to you so we can keep it.
I hope the people I haven't seen yet. Might be like, oh, yes, another one.
No? Oh wait, yeah, just like, I need your lights on. Your, yeah, that's what I'm wanting.